Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this bat, cartoon bat, very cute cartoon bat in Blender. I am going to first model it and then texture it. I am going to use only one software, no Substance Painter, no nothing. I am going to use only one software and then create this bat. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So this was the reference I was using, and this is our model. I have done only by using one software, Blender. I have textured this, I have modeled this. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more gaming videos like this, more 3D modeling videos like this, also some gaming video in my future. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.